Hey there, buddies. Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to navigate the world like a pro? In this video, we'll be covering the essentials of asking and giving directions whether you're a tourist exploring a new city or a local helping out a friend. So, let's begin with some common scenarios and phrases to help you find your way. Stay tuned. Dialogue 1. On the street. A. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station? B. Sure, go straight down this road, then take the second left. A. Is it far from here? B. Not at all, it's about a 5-minute walk. You'll see it on the corner, across from the bank. A. Thank you so much. B. You're welcome. Dialogue 2. In a shopping mall. A. Hi, sorry to bother you, I'm trying to get to the food court. B. No problem, take the escalator up to the second floor, then turn right. A. Is it near any landmarks or stores? B. Yes, it's right next to the movie theater. You can't miss it. A. Got it, thanks a lot. B. Anytime. Dialogue 3. Asking a driver. A. Excuse me, do you know the best way to get to Central Park from here? B. You'll want to take this road straight until you hit the roundabout, then take the second exit. A. Do I go left or right after that? B. Head right, you'll pass a gas station and a supermarket. It'll be on your left just after that. A. Thanks, I really appreciate it. B. No problem, safe travels. Dialogue 4. Tourist in a city. A. Hi, I'm a bit lost. Can you help me find the art museum? B. Of course. Go down this street until you reach the traffic lights, then turn left. A. Will I see any signs for it? B. Yes, there's a big sign right in front of the entrance, you can't miss it. A. Perfect. Is it within walking distance? B. Definitely, just a 10-minute walk from here. A. Thanks a lot. B. You're very welcome. Dialogue 5. At a hotel reception. Guest. Hi, could you show me the way to the nearest pharmacy? Receptionist. Certainly, exit the hotel, turn right, and walk straight for 2 blocks. Guest. Is there a landmark I should look out for? Receptionist. Yes, it's just past the bakery, next to the bus stop. Guest. Should I take a taxi or is it walkable? Receptionist. You can easily walk, it'll take about 5 minutes. Guest. Thank you very much. Receptionist. My pleasure. Let me know if you need anything else. Dialogue 6. In the subway station. A. Excuse me, does this train go to Green Park? B. No, you'll need to transfer at Central Station. A. Oh, okay. Which platform is that on? B. Take this line to Central, then switch to the blue line. Green Park is 3 stops from there. A. Got it. Is there a map I can follow? B. Yes, there's one just over there on the wall. A. Thank you. B. Anytime. Dialogue 7. At a bus stop. A. Hi there, would you happen to know where the city library is? B. Sure, take the number 12 bus and get off at Main Street. A. Do I need to walk after that? B. Yes, walk 2 blocks north. The library is right behind the post office. A. Okay, is it clearly marked? B. Definitely, big glass building, you can't miss it. A. Thanks. B. No problem. Dialogue 8. In the countryside. A. Excuse me, I think I took a wrong turn. Is this the road to Willow Lake? B. No, you'll need to turn around and take the second left after the gas station. A. Is it far from here? B. Not really, about 15 minutes by car. Just follow the signs for Route 82. A. Thanks, I really appreciate the help. B. You're welcome, enjoy the lake. Dialogue 9. At an airport. A. Sorry, could you point me in the direction of gate B12? B. Sure, go straight past the shops, then take the escalator down. A. Should I follow the blue signs? B. Yes, they'll lead you right to it. It's near the food court. A. Thanks, I'm a bit late, can I walk there quickly? B. Definitely, it's about a 5-minute walk if you go straight. A. Appreciate it. B. Safe travels. Dialogue 10. In a train station. A. Excuse me, do you know which platform the train to Brighton leaves from? B. Yes, it's platform 6. Just head down this corridor and take a left at the end. A. Is it far? B. Not really, you'll pass a coffee shop, the platform's right after that. A. Great, thank you so much. B. You're welcome, have a good trip. At a university campus. A. Hi, I'm looking for the science building. Could you tell me how to get there? B. Sure, walk straight past the fountain, then take the second right. A. Is there a sign or something I should look for? B. Yes, there's a big green sign that says, Science Faculty. It's hard to miss. A. Thanks. B. No problem, good luck. Dialogue 12. Tourist lost at night. A. Sorry to bother you. I'm trying to find my hotel, the Royal Inn. B. No worries, it's a bit tricky at night. You'll need to take that alley next to the cafe, then turn left. A. Is it safe to walk there? B. Yes, totally safe. It's a well-lit area, and there are usually people around. A. Okay, and how long will it take to get there? B. Just 5 minutes, it's behind the old cinema. A. Thank you, I really appreciate your help. B. Happy to help. I have attached the worksheets. Please do practice them and use